Hey everybody, welcome to Data Maths Concepts. Today we will be looking on some ideas. We're going to be looking on coordinate geometry. If you're a first-time visitor, please stop and subscribe to this channel. And if you have been watching and you have not yet subscribed, I'm asking you kindly, please subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned. We will be coming with some good stuff. See you. All right, welcome back to Data Maths Concepts again. What we're looking at in this section here, we are actually looking at a coordinate geometry question, right? So it's a coordinate geometry that will be a system, what we call a simultaneous equation. So let's look. It says a graph with equations 3, I'm reading from top, 3y plus 2x is equal to a half, and 2y minus 3x is equal to negative 113 over 12 have been drawn on the grid below. So looking on the grid below here, we're definitely seeing the two equations right there. All right, let's see what they want us to do. It says using the graph, find estimates, all right? And it says find estimates because definitely in reading off the scale, there'll be a range of answers that you could give that would be okay, right? So find estimates of the solution of the simultaneous equations. All right, so here are the simultaneous equations here. We should use the graph, which means that if you use your algebraic skills, no, that won't work, all right? So we're going to be using our graphical knowledge. What's the concept behind a system or what we call a simultaneous equation? The idea behind a simultaneous equation is that where the two lines cross each other, or what would say intersect, that's where our solution will be, right? So right here, if we can find the coordinate for this point right there, right, then we would definitely have the solution to the question. Now, the only issue that we're looking at is that it did not fall on one of those nice places where we could read off the coordinates easily. For example, it did not stop there where we could say 1 with negative 2. It did not stop here where we could say 1 and negative 1. It stopped between, all right, between the integers that we have. So guess what? We know that we're going to be getting some decimals here, but no problem. Let us take some time. Let us zoom in on this a little bit so that we could find out what each of those little spaces represent. So let's zoom up. All right. All right. So let us now look at this idea. Now, if we should mark here, this is 1 and this is 2, right? So I'm talking about right here, that's 1, right here, that's 2. So technically, that is actually 1 unit, right? So that's 1 unit right there. That 1 unit was divided into, let's check how many pieces was it actually divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that 1 unit was divided into 10 equal pieces. So what we could do simply is to divide that 1 unit into 10, and we're going to get 0.1. What that means is that whenever we're reading, we need to add 0.1 for each of these lines, right? For example, this is 1. This line here will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and definitely we arrived at 2. So we are seeing here where we're able to pick up those little spaces. So the scale for the x-axis is the same scale for the y-axis, all right? So let us now find where they intersect. So I'm going to pull out my line here. So let's go for this. So I'm going to be dropping this line from here all the way up, right there. And let me change this to a red. There we go. Right, let's take off another line from that point right here. And we're taking it across right there. Let's switch it to red again. All right. So right there, we are now able to get a closer look. We could have a very good estimate based on the scale. All right. So this is 2. So I'm picking up the value from the x-axis first. So this is 2. So this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So it is between 2.2 and 2.3. So we could say that right here, that our x coordinate could be 2.25, right? And for the y coordinate, this is -1 going down, -1.1, -1.2, -1.3. Let me take the line further, right? Let me take this line further across. Let me put it further across, right there. Good. All right, good. Pull it across right there. So we could see that this is actually -1.3. So it's a -1.3. So basically, this is my x, that's my y. So the x value could range from, if you say 1.2, 2.2, that's fine. Also 2.25, 2.3, I don't think we should pass that, right? And for the y, it looks like definitely -1.3. All right. So for the x answers, we could submit any one of these. It's an estimate. All of them will be okay. Now, 2.2, 2.25, 2.3, and the y value is definitely -1.3. So reading off the coordinate where the two lines intersect is our solution for that system of simultaneous equation. Thank you for watching Daily Maths Concepts. Please leave a comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.